Here's everything you need to know about garage floor replacement cost. What to expect in 2026. Here's what you need to know. Garage floor replacement costs $3 to $12 per square feet in 2026. Learn pricing factors, material options, and what to budget for your North Carolina home. Quick answer. Garage floor replacement costs $3 to $12 per square foot in 2026, or $1,200 to $5,400 for a typical single or two-car garage. Pricing depends on existing slab removal, concrete mix design, finishing type, and sealing. Most projects take 3 to 7 days to complete, with full curing in 28 days. Your garage floor is one of the hardest working surfaces in your home, supporting vehicles, equipment, and foot traffic year-round. Over 20 to 30 years, freeze-thaw cycles, salt spray, oil spills, and settlement take their toll, leading to cracking, spalling, and scaling. When repair no longer makes sense, a full replacement is the most cost-effective long-term solution. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post breaks down what garage floor replacement actually costs, what drives those costs, and how to plan your project in 2026. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triangle, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in garage floor replacement, polished concrete, and decorative finishes for homeowners seeking durable, cost-effective solutions. A typical single-car garage floor replacement ranges from $1,200 to $3,600 depending on surface preparation, concrete mix design, and finish type, from basic broom finish to stamped or polished concrete. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and all materials and labor are funded up front. This approach eliminates the deposit and disappear risk that defines poor concrete contracting and allows North Carolina homeowners to move forward with confidence on one of the highest traffic surfaces in their home. Moving on to garage floor replacement costs in 2026. Concrete garage floor replacement averages $3 to $12 per square foot across North Carolina in 2026. For a standard single-car garage, about 400 square feet, expect $1,200 to $4,800. A two-car garage, 600 square feet, runs $1,800 to $7,200. These estimates include demolition and removal of the old slab, subgrade preparation, new concrete placement, finishing, and basic curing. They do not include epoxy, sealant, or specialized decorative treatments, which add 1 to 6 per square feet. Labor accounts for 40 to 50% of the total cost. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.